Yeah, it's going to have to get over 1450 and then pull back some, and then you can get in at this price in like a month or two if it's going to be moving and be a worthwhile swing trade. I don't think it's a day trade. Yeah, the MMTLP stock has been moving around, guys. So also watch today, or be swing trading. MMTLP is breaking out. I believe I posted that yesterday. Let me see. Super stocks, penny stocking. Yeah, yesterday, penny stocking. Did anybody get MMTLP on that alert? It was over in penny stocking that thing was taken off. I could probably put that down here instead. All right, good morning, everybody. We've got about 5 minutes till the market opens. We had CPI information, data release. PPI data release. That's the wholesale producers index, or the producers price index. And it is an inflationary, it is an indication of the prices that producers have to put on the goods and services that they're creating. And it kind of gives you a leading indicator as to how that's going to cause inflation on consumers, and how inflation is going to affect consumers. And it was lower than expected. It was the same as last month, 0.2%. So that means it's slowing. It's slowing, and we expected it to be stronger, slowing, and that was a good indicator for the economy and for business. And so the market rallied. How much did it rally here? 12,120 divided by 11,930. The market rallied 1.6% off of that news. It's now faded half of that, 0.8%. It's now faded half of that. And so that's where we're at right now. I believe that the algos are still set to seek this high, which is September 2nd week high, which is really nearby. So I think that we may either fill the gap. This doesn't really make sense. Fill the gap and then go all the way up and seek those highs. I think we'll probably see the opposite. We'll seek those highs and then we'll fill the gap. I believe that's what the algos are going to be set up to do today. So we're actually going to run from the open, possibly. The reason why I say that is because I think if we do fill the gap, I think we're going to go through it, and we're going to go down to London's low before the day completes. So there's a couple different paths that price could take today, but I think in general, the algos are going to be set to bullish and seeking liquidity up here, but they may want to go grab those lows. They may want to fill the gap and grab those London lows before going up, and that could take all day. I don't know. It depends on how red we go. So actually, there's a second thesis here that the day bleeds red for the first hour, like tragically, like really strong, and it's a manipulation. Algos grab a ton of liquidity at London's lows and then move up by the end of the day to the highs. That's one thesis. The other thesis is we go and we seek those highs right away, and then for the rest of the day we fade. Which doesn't make logical sense, but I'm not going to make logical sense out of the market. No thanks. What happened to my buy buttons? Let's see here. Trading settings, buy sell buttons. Okay, that was strange. I did not do that. All right, so I'm already in just for one small contract to go short, and then I'll cut that and go long if it's wrong. We're going to open in about a minute, 1 minute. Chris says, when you say that, I imagine a janitor walking down to a server room and flipping a switch to bull or bear. Yeah, it can roughly be that. I mean, it can roughly be that. That janitor. It's more like a dial. All right, the open's happening in 27 seconds. Good morning, Lizzie. Uh, 5 seconds. I'm taking a quick bearish bias, but I could be wrong. So far, it looks quite wrong. Far. Reverse at the 50% line in one system there, but now it's starting to look right. That's what you get for the open. Reversing. Oh, hang on. Right there. So are we going to fill the gap or are we going to seek lows, seek highs? Remains to be seen. Okay, I flip-flopped twice already. We're already kind of indicating rangy. Back to the Momos. SYTA is definitely happening. Pay attention to SYTA. Get on SYTA for the Momo trade. MMTLP, hopefully you guys got in that yesterday. It is up 25 cents and might continue to move all day today. What you gonna do, market? Stay out of its way for a minute here, it seems. I reversed again. Might just be ranging. Homer Simpson just pushing buttons. Yeah, exactly. Oh, what does this button do? SD. All right, I'm gonna take a look at that. All right, looks like we're about to break a new high of the day. Whether that's a liquidity grab, I don't know. We'll see. Dondrell says Apple is moving up. Okay, so Apple's leading the market typically. Apple will lead the market typically. Yeah, strong move up on Apple. But advancers and decliners are dropping. So small caps falling, Apple going up. Lizzie says BNR. SC is flying from the open. All right. There could be a day trade on SE, but that is a mega. That's a big one. PEGY starting to blip up. That'd be an entrance on PEGY with about 30 cents of risk to 290 stop. Apple pulling back now, not helping the market in a moment where it looks like small caps are moving up. What is Apple? Apple's still pulling back. Take that opportunity to de-risk and see where the heck this market wants to go. It just does not want to take direction off the open yet. Financials are up strong off the open. XLF. Apple flying again. Tempting to make a new high. SYTA pulled back off of that entrance. PEGY still going. PEGY entrance at 325, now hitting 340. SE hanging around 60. Moved from about 55 at the open. MMTLP is at 885. An open of about 850 and from yesterday's price of 838. PEGY still going. Apple pulling back. And that's a new low on the market. So lows stronger than highs so far, but by a smidge. All right, market's starting to go down more. So we may be seeking to fill that gap. Carnival is up 6%, says Mike. I'm going to attempt to short the top side of this trend line resistance. I'm somewhat bearish on the day right now. PEGY hitting 364. Make sure you're taking profits off under every 5 cents, 10 cents level. What about the Wall Street? I don't understand. Yeah. Can you imagine? I wonder if the Wall Street's bets guys had a lot in FTX. Exactly what they get. Okay, let me take a look at Carnival. ECL, yeah. Did you see the TikTok video you posted of the CEO of Alameda Research saying she doesn't believe in stop losses? Oh, I saw you post that. I think I didn't get it to play. Oh yeah, I did watch that. Yeah, unbelievable. Yeah, and she looks like I don't know, some kind of hippie or something. I don't exactly trust hippies with millions of dollars, let alone billions. Probably would let an orca eat it. What are you gonna do with all that cash? Feed the orcas. Now I'm getting to the upside. Gonna de-risk right there at break even. This is one a choppy, trappy open. It's ranging. The bias is unclear. We're stuck right in the middle. It's not an environment to trade. I can tell you that. You want direction. You want a directional day. So far, the behavior of the market is today's going to be consolidation. That means hands off, no trading. Stops are our friends. Stops are our friends, not food. Benny says, stop making me laugh. I'm trying to trade. Yeah. Hippies are our friends, not food. It's just not natural. Yeah, this is going to be a non-event trading day, it looks like, after all. Because this is the heaviest volume portion of the day, with both London and with the United Kingdom, Europe, and the United States trading all together in one, and nobody wants to go anywhere with it. PEGY leveling out at 360-ish. SYTA failing out. You don't want to be in SYTA. Yeah, PEGY looking good. MMTLP now at 923. Yesterday, who got in at 830 on the penny stocking alert? Because that could go to like 15. I think I put that in penny stocking or super stocks. Yeah, RS wise, let's see. Walmart #1. AMD is up there. Tesla is up there. Amazon is up there. Qualcomm, and now in second place. Most of those look pretty decent. Qualcomm looks very good. All right, you guys, I got some more errands I got to run this morning. And if this market isn't going to be doing anything, then I'm going to hop to it. I'll catch you in the group, guys, and we can continue in the momentum channel with these Momo stocks. You're welcome, everybody. Thank you, and see you in the cord. All right. Been good. You're welcome. You're welcome. Watch out. Don't trade too much today. Just those Momos, perhaps. Outside of that, maybe we're looking for some allocation today for some positions, but don't day trade the market right now. It's a chop day. It's a chop day. It's a trap. All right.